Next. Get up there, Rosie. Watch your pieces. Come on. Sit down there. Be quiet. Keep them turn yet. I'll never be stubborn again. I can change. Please give me another chance.
Oh, shut up.
Oh. Next. What have you got?
His little wooden puppet.
I'm not a puppet. I'm a real boy.
5 shillings for the possessed toy. Take it away.
No, please.
Next. What have you got?
Well, I've got a talking donkey.
Right. Well, that's good for 10 shillings. If you can prove it.
Oh, go ahead, little fella.
Well.
Oh, he's just a little nervous. He's really quite a chatterbox. You boneheaded dog.
That's it. I've had enough cards.
No, he... Oh, go ahead, little fella.
Well.
Oh, he's just a little nervous. He's really quite a chatterbox. You boneheaded dog.
That's it. I've had enough cards.
No, he talks. He does. I can talk. I love to talk. I'm not talking this damn thing you ever saw.
Get her out of my sight.
No, I swear. Oh, he can talk.
Hey, I can fly.
He can fly.
He can fly. He can talk.
That's right, fool. Now I'm a flying talking donkey. You might have seen a house fly, maybe even a super fly, but I bet you ain't never seen a donkey fly.